The future of driving in the self-driving car landscape. The emergence of self-driving cars has been a hot topic in recent years, with many wondering what impact this technology will have on the future of driving and the role of human drivers. In this article, we'll explore the future of driving in the context of self-driving cars and the potential impact on the profession of driving. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are vehicles that can operate without human intervention, using a combination of sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to navigate and respond to their environments. Self-driving cars have the potential to improve safety, reduce traffic congestion, and increase mobility for people who are unable to drive themselves. Impact on the profession of driving. Self-driving cars have the potential to significantly impact the profession of driving, as the need for professional drivers may decrease in the future. Here are some potential impacts of self-driving cars on the profession of driving. Reduced employment opportunities. With the development of self-driving cars, the demand for professional drivers may decrease, leading to fewer employment opportunities in the transportation industry. This could impact a wide range of professions, including taxi and truck drivers, delivery drivers, and ride-share drivers. Shift in skills requirements. As the demand for professional drivers decreases, the skills required for transportation jobs may shift towards the management and maintenance of self-driving cars. This could require a new set of skills, such as knowledge of software and electronics, and could lead to new employment opportunities in related fields. Increased safety. Self-driving cars have the potential to improve safety on the roads, reducing the number of accidents caused by human error. This could lead to a decrease in the need for emergency responders and healthcare professionals who are involved in treating accident victims. Improved efficiency. Self-driving cars have the potential to improve efficiency in the transportation industry, reducing the time and cost associated with transportation. This could lead to increased productivity and economic growth, as well as improved access to transportation for people who are unable to drive themselves. Looking ahead. As self-driving car technology continues to develop, it is likely that we will see a gradual shift in the role of human drivers in the transportation industry. While the impacts of this shift are not yet clear, it is important to consider the potential implications for workers in the field. In conclusion, self-driving cars have the potential to significantly impact the profession of driving, with potential impacts including reduced employment opportunities, a shift in skill requirements, increased safety, and improved efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, it is important to consider the potential implications for workers in the transportation industry, and to prepare for a future in which self-driving cars may play an increasingly prominent role. Shift in business models. The development of self-driving cars may lead to a shift in business models for transportation companies. For example, ride-sharing companies may no longer need to rely on human drivers, leading to changes in pricing and service offerings. New opportunities for innovation. The development of self-driving cars may also lead to new opportunities for innovation in the transportation industry. For example, companies may develop new technologies and services to support the operation and maintenance of self-driving cars. Potential for reduced congestion. Self-driving cars have the potential to reduce traffic congestion, as they can operate more efficiently and safely than human drivers. This could lead to improved mobility for people who rely on transportation for work, school, and other activities. Regulatory and legal challenges. The development of self-driving cars also presents regulatory and legal challenges, as policymakers and lawmakers grapple with how to ensure the safety and security of these vehicles.